I joined Varun Group in 1995 in November. So this month I'm completing 30 years with Varun Group. Started with Maruti division. We inaugurated in 1996. So the journey went up to 2012. And then Chairman Sir offered me the new responsibility of BharatBenz, which we inaugurated in 2012. So from 2012 to now, we have crossed 10,000 retails in trucks and we have done buses also. So this is BharatBenz where, we sell more of trucks, and the journey was very good after I took up. Of course, I was new to the commercial field. When we started off, I took a few experienced people also, and then we were the dealers for entire Andhra. So now this journey has been from 2012, about 13 years, and this year from 4th to 7th, there was an All India Dealers Conference at Germany, where the parent company, I would say worldwide number one in manufacturing of trucks, they conducted the All India Dealers Conference in Germany, where I was given the award for the best CEO All India. So no doubt it's been a great journey and a very great recognition for me, but for the group. And the effort has been the entire team. They have worked so closely, and it's more a team effort. So both in sales and service, we are doing fairly well. And of course, when this award is given, it is given on multiple parameters, like what are the key performance indicators, how we have serviced the customers, spare parts availability, what's the year-on-year growth. So the recognition came to me. It's a proud moment for our group as well as me. So we would obviously like to continue, take this forward. And we have been fairly doing very good in 2025 also. So we should be ending up by this December with a 30% growth year on year. And of course, Chairman Sir always talks of the bottom line, AB ratio. We are trying and continuously achieving targets. And thanks to, I would say, our MD Garu, Varun Sir, he has been very closely associated from the time we have taken BharatBenz. So I would again congratulate the entire team of Varun Trucking, BharatBenz, for this achievement. And thanks to the entire group who have supported me. Thank you.